Hey John, the meeting just finished. Although we couldn't close the deal today, the overall proposal was very much liked by the whole client team. Their CIO was very impressed and did affirm his faith in us.
Hey Steve, thanks for the update. Do we know why the deal couldn't be closed today? Was there any specific info that they were looking for and we couldn't provide at the time? Let me know and I will be happy to put something together on it soon.
I think it's not us, but rather some internal alignment that needs to happen between them. They have scheduled a follow-up meeting next week to discuss some of the underlying questions they may have as a team. Plus, I think it's better this way, considering you will be back in office to get on top of this.
Yeah, true. Okay, thanks. We'll catch up with you once I am back next week. P greater than.
Sounds good. See you then.
Question 7. Why did Steve call John this time? Question 8. John was concerned because?